Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve inconsistent migration history error in Django. Right here, as you can see, once I learn migration commands, it brings me this migration history error, right? As you can see, so what are the steps we can solve this, or we can get rid out of this problem? So it's about two steps. So step number one is we need to delete the db.sqlite3 of the root project. So I delete it, but you can copy it and paste it somewhere as your database backup, but for my case I'm gonna delete it. Right, then after I'm going into my app named card, then I go to migration. Here I delete this initial migration, right? So make sure you delete all migration except underscore a int underscore .py, right? So after that I run once again python manage make migration. Now you can see we have successful run make migration command. So I want to migrate, right? So migrate. Now you can see the migration is being done. So actually this is an end of our tutorial on how you can solve migration inconsistency history error in Django. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.